investors.
This is TFNN, the Tiger Financial News Network. TFNN Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 4 p.m. Eastern Time. We reached the closing bell and markets records right now. Not quite across the board, but almost. You're talking about an S&P. Finishes the session at record prices, up by 21 points. I believe that's the fifth consecutive all-time high close. And look at that run, baby. 64.23 right now, up by 22 points. Got a little bit of selling from the close there, but nonetheless, higher prices. NASDAQ 100, higher prices right now, up by 0.2% or 42 points in the green at 23,420. The Dow, right near records. The Dow up by 173 points. Dow charged higher intraday. Check out that charge intraday. You accelerate lower to 44,817, and we were above 45,100 briefly. We closed it out with the Russell up by 0.3%. And yeah, how about that Russell? You drive lower to 2252, and just like that, we finished right where we began the session at 2270 in the Russell. Bitcoin down by about $2,200, but well off the lows. We're right near about 117,900. Crude trading lower, down by 96 cents to 65.07. We jump over to the 10-year right now. A little bit of higher price and lower yield. You get the 10-year at 4.39. The yield 4.39 on the 10-year. You jump over to that dollar, the dollar 97.67, and gold. Quite a week to the downside on gold. Now, I say quite a week to the downside. You do have a red candle, but we just gave up most of the week's gains. You were as high as, 34.51, but if you look at things even, yeah, it was a straight shot basically from Wednesday. And the most worrisome part of this is that even when you got a little bit of dollar weakness, you weren't always getting a gold acceleration, and then you get dollar strength and gold trades lower. So gold struggling recently, off $35 or 1% at 33.88, but longer term, gold's just fine. You got to consolidate this run. We do a 1-to-1 A to B, C to D, up to about the 33.50 price point in golds. All right, folks. Have a great weekend. Have a safe weekend out there. Next week, we got big earnings, man. Microsoft and Meta on Wednesday. You got a Fed meeting next Wednesday as well. Apple and Amazon earnings on Thursday, among many others next week. Big week of earnings and Fed week. Folks, have a great weekend. We'll see you back here at 9 o'clock a.m. live Monday morning with the Morning Market Kickoff. I'll see you then.